with the students and all. So, what do you think? On that part of the moment you have reacted also. But now, after a day, how to see into the scenario? How are things going on in Tripura? And this is only an incident that happened. But the larger question is, what about the future of Kokborok?
Well, yesterday's incident, it could have been avoided. And the demand for Roman script is genuine. Now, one must understand, when any demand comes up, there are reasons why people like Roman script and why they don't want to write in some other script. I have been telling, like Gaja, how are you going to write in Bengali script Gaja? You cannot write. Gakhi, you cannot write. So, we have seen the Kokborok speaking people. We started writing. See, I know Bengali language and this script as good as any Bengali family. And I also know English and Roman script. See, English is also written in Roman script, not in English script. The point is, if Kokborok is written in Roman script, I think 99% of the Kokborok can be written in Roman script. Whereas in Bengali or Debbarmani or any other, or Malayali, Tamil, if we try to write, we can write, but maybe 60-65% we would be able to write. So 95% or maybe more than that, the Kokborok speaking people, we feel writing Kokborok in Roman script would be the best choice. Another point is, Roman script for Kokborok, this demand is not a new demand. This has been happening right from 1967. And in so many years, I think time has come. Honorable Government, I am not saying Honorable Governor or Honorable CM, Honorable Government of Tripura should take decision that Kokborok should be written in Roman script. Now, some time back you were asking me that CM of the state was telling that CBSE does not have any options of buying script. One in Bengali, one in Roman. They don't have that kind of option. It's fine. If that is so, then let it be in Roman script. Because in Roman script, all these students, whosoever is studying in CBSE, will have no problem. Whereas in Bengali script, most of them will have problem. I am sure 80-90% students in CBSE, they don't know Bengali script. Maybe some 10-15% they take Bengali as a language. But at least 80-90% students, maybe from Bihar, Tripura, Assam, all of them they write in Roman script. So Roman is not going to be a problem. If CBSE is not having any choice, then I think ultimately it has to be Roman script. Now coming back to the yesterday's incident. See, I am not only seeing yesterday's incident. Any democratic movement in Tripura, especially after 2018, the BJP and small partner IPFT does not have much of say in the government. In the last government also and in this government also. So mostly it is BJP government. BJP government in Tripura do not allow any democratic movement. You all must have seen that even the former CM was also attacked. Many leaders have been attacked. In Madhapur, when TSF, Tripura Students Federation or Tripura Student Federation, when they were doing their agitation as part of national program. 6 people was fired actually at that time. So this proves that BJP government do not like any people democratically to protest. So I'm worried for this culture. And yesterday, now if the government says that we don't know about it, why they don't know? The agitators, or rather the protesters, DIS, they informed the police. They took permission. Government knew about it. So if this happens with small children who are studying in class 6, class 7, class 8 standard, this can happen to anyone. See, the culture, the political culture in this state is degrading. Now somebody was asking me yesterday, how do you see the government led by Dr. Malik Sahib? I didn't want to comment anything, but frankly speaking, whenever I go to the village side, most of the people, they say now that after seeing Dr. Malik Sahib for more than 7-8 months in Tripura as CM, they see the character of the former CM, Mr. Malik, no, not Malik Sir, the previous Malik Sir. So they see the character of Malik Sir. The same way he is also trying to function. People wanted change. People did not like the governance of Manik Sardar. 20 years how we ruled this state. People had given verdict in the favor of IPMT and BJP. Now the people see the same character in him. But they did not tell about Biplav there. Let me tell you. This is also, interestingly I asked people, that do you see the same character in Biplav Dev? They say no. Biplav Dev is a different man. But in Dr. Manik Shah, they see the character of Manik Sarkar. Then I think person like me, even I have to analyze and see, is he really behaving like Manik Sarkar? If he is behaving like Manik Sarkar, this government is going to go. People will not like that. That's it.
So, what is that of Manik Sarkar that is
no democratic movement. Even Manik Sarkar did not like any movement. He did not like. Dr. Manik Shah is also there. Okay, now people should not protest. Number 1. Number 2 is Manik Sarkar never thought about the rural Tripura. I'm not talking about the Prasa ones. You see, after 20 years of his rule, if people still need to demand for drinking water, do you feel that Manik Sarkar had given good governance for rural Tripura? Definitely not. Now the same thing is happening with Dr. Manik Shah. You just see how much people are facing problem for drinking water, electric connection and everything. No adequate work for the poor people. Now, merely thinking for the working class people is not going to be the job of the government. Government has to take care of every sections of people, including the beggars, including the houseless people, homeless people. So, this is the picture people see. Now, even the government, the work, the machineries, the same machineries what we had earlier, they have become very slow, let me tell you. I must mention, I requested for my personal security officer to be changed. It took me 40 days to get this new man. It should not take that much of time. Now, leader of opposition or any cabinet minister or chief minister, these are the people, according to the law of the country or constitution of the country, as per the constitution, they are the VVIPs, very, very important persons. And for them, if it takes 40 days, for common people, what would be the picture? I think you can understand on your own. That's the situation.
But the government is projecting on, because Manik's 100 days is going to come, the government is projecting on a lot of development taking place in the state at multiple times. So you have been into politics, I think, around 2.5 decades. So how do you access as an opposition leader, as a common person, what changes do you find in this?
I have been allotted a quarter, government quarter. That quarter, the renovation to start, it took more than 2 months. And I think last week they started the work. So, leader of opposition in the state assembly, they cannot allot a good quarter. You feel this government is really capable government. Now they will not like all these things. If I say, I am not attacking Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah as a person, but if I see his government, the performance of his government, he should not get confined to his office room or to his party offices. He should go beyond that and visit Tripura. Very good question you have asked. Before they go for their 100-day success program, I would demand to the Honorable Prime Minister of the country that group of central ministers, they should come and visit rural Tripura for 5 days. The villages in Chamonu, Halchara, Govindabari, Shigaribari in Kuwai, Petramura, Tribahalai, and Ramgunapara in Ambasa, and in the Longtarai Hills, Jampui Hills, all these central ministers, without much of protocol, without much of interference by the DMs and SDMs, let them take the help of the opposition parties. We take those central ministers in those pockets where government machinery, government scheme, and the money Modi is sending from Delhi or center, it has not reached till date. We can take them to those pockets. So now if they are ready to celebrate, celebration can be done in any manner. For celebration, what do you need? Banners, and then some dignitaries, mic, and cameramen, Pulokito Jamini, they will sing. And that is all about celebration. Even I can celebrate success of my 60 days of LOP. But people will laugh at me if I do that. So it is up to the people to think and analyze what this government is doing. 10,323 people are still neglected. You feel there is success of the government. What about STGT? What about the tribal hostels? What about the road connections? What about the load sheddings? What about the non-irrigated farming lands? Are they going to address all these issues? MGN Raga? Many things are there. So, I don't know if they celebrate, they can celebrate, but this celebration is a kind of artificial celebration by cheating the common people. Such celebration has got no meaning.
So ultimately, do you really believe the government is going to resolve this issue? Because if you see into the previous governments also, there were commission. Today I spoke with Jitendra Chaudhary, a former MP and a left leader and a minister also. He also see during our times also the commission for Kokborok had favor of Romance Creek, so we kept both options. And during the 2018 election, BJP had promised that they would resolve the issue of Kokborok.
I don't know whether this government will resolve these issues. It depends on Dr. Manik. Better you ask him this question. And I can tell you this much. If he does not resolve, maybe one day he will not find his seat as CM. Many people who have gone against the Tipra people, they lost their challenge. And if he thinks that only by winning in Bardwani constituency, he will retain his chief ministership, this is not going to be possible like that. You have to win the heart of the people of the entire state. And that's how CM comes up. Okay. Now, one after the other. This is a very small issue. He could have been a star. He could have been a hero to the Kokborok speaking people by resolving this issue. It is an opportunity for him. CBM did not do in the 35 years of their rule. Now, Dr. Manik Shah had done or has done in the last 2-3 months. He could have been hero in the hearts of the Prasad people. Now it is up to him to reply. But I can tell you this much. वो दिन आ रहा है, वो CM आ रहा है, may not be himself, maybe someone else. Definitely this issue will be resolved. But the point is, TISF, all Kokborok speaking people, maybe from BJP, maybe from CPM, all of us have to get united on this issue of script. We have to keep on demanding our rights.
You have raised the issue in the floor of the assembly also.
You saw that. You saw that, and he promised us that one committee will be formed and all stakeholders will be called for in the meeting. But so far so, he has not formed any committee. He has not convened any meeting. We'll see that. But the way things are happening, I think it is not me. He should answer this question, whether he wants to resolve it.